Hello and welcome on the silver analysis video from Xtreme Trader. This is Salah speaking. So before we start, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and kindly leave a comment and share the video. So of course, that was, my friends, my last analysis on the silver, and it has actually reversed just like 17 pips far away from our sell level. Now thankfully, there has been a few followers I have seen in the comments that actually they have taken this signal and made very good profits with it. So meaning they have entered before this signal being triggered. Of course, they were ready for the drawdowns, but in the end they actually have ended up in profit, which makes me really feel good about it. So it was a good deal. However, officially, of course, it hasn't been activated, and the silver went down in total of about 170 pips before it goes back in total of only 138. So now what's next with the silver? Let's now check together and delete everything from scratch and start, of course, from scratch. So based on the weekly chart, we have here something very interesting. Number one is, of course, we have here the double top pattern, which indicates, of course, a continuation in the bearish fall. Number two is the current price action here. Those three candles usually represents a continuation in the bearish fall, and most likely the silver right now is getting ready to be going actually toward that support right here at 26.577. Number three, which is really interesting, is the broken level of a resistance right here exactly at 29.599. Now let's pay attention to what happened right here. So the silver has made actually a strong bullish breakout from that level of a resistance right here exactly at 29. What happened later is that the silver has actually failed to create a support for once and twice. So meaning we had here a bullish breakout level from that level of a resistance, and again the silver has actually failed to create a new support on that level, and then went below that level of a resistance. Now we have here another bullish breakout candle appeared. So we thought that finally now the silver is getting ready for the rise, but what happened is the opposite, and the silver just kept falling here, which meaning actually that this level of a resistance has indeed been ignored 2 times continuously, which means, of course, a strong bearish movement. The sellers are controlling the silver, and now most likely it will continue the fall. And of course, most important now is by moving to the daily chart, what we can see right here is a very clear broken level of a support trend line. So all of that now indicates that the silver is indeed getting ready for the fall. Now what we can see right here is, of course, a broken level of a real resistance exactly right here at 29.770, which was previously also nearest level of a resistance to that bearish breakout candle. The nearest resistance lies exactly right here at 29.770. So that was the nearest level of a resistance to that bearish breakout candle. Then we have here resistance, resistance, resistance. So meaning with that strong bearish movement, the silver most likely, since we're actually right now talking about a support level right here, there is a high possibility that the silver will make a pullback by the opening of the market on Monday, and that level of a broken resistance right here will most likely be respected, and I believe we can sell the silver exactly right there at that level. Not only that, this price action right here, once you see this candle appeared on a breakout, actually as a breakout candle, that price action usually indicates a continuation in the fall. So meaning also there is high chance that the silver will just start the bearish fall instantly by the opening of the market on Monday. So therefore, if you guys are somehow ready for a drawdown of 54 pips, you can actually open the sell order instantly and get ready for a small drawdown of about 50 pips, and hopefully the silver will start, of course, the bearish fall. Now for the take profit level. How far can we continue selling the silver? That's the important question. We cannot, of course, set our take profit levels randomly. Therefore, what we have right here is, of course, a channel. And just let me delete this one here so it won't confuse you. Now, what we can see right here is, of course, a respected level of a resistance trend line at least 5 times. Now, what we can do is simply clone the very same line right here and simply place it right there exactly at the edge of the support trend line. Which means right now we have here a very clear channel, and the silver is actually bouncing right in it. However, If the silver will indeed respect our analysis and respect that level of a key resistance and reverse right on it, it will continue the fall till it reaches the edge of that support trend line. Now, by simply looking at the left side, we can see clearly that we have right here, of course, a strong key level of a support right here, which was also a support in the past. So therefore, our take profit level will be at exactly 28.001, which means we can aim around 177 pips profit from this signal. However, the safe zone shouldn't be ranging higher than the previous level of a key resistance right here exactly, and this level of a resistance at 30.587, which means the safe zone will be ranging for around 80 pips against 178 pips of profit. Let me now please write the signal for you. And there goes our deal, my friends, on the silver. Again, I really hope it's gonna work out well for us. And again, my friends, remember that in the end, this is just a signal. It's not a financial advice. It's up to you how to take it. And of course, you are taking full responsibility if you have lost big amount in it, because in the end, it's just my own perspective on the market. It's my point of view on the silver, and it's really up to you how to handle it and how to trade it. And of course, don't forget in the end to join our free group of Telegram to receive any updates about this signal. You can simply find the link to join this group in the description below this video. Of course, it's for free. You can just simply join it instantly and you will get at least one free signal every day from Xtreme Trader, and you will receive updates about this signal. So in the end, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.